Hi everyone. Let's first read out the statement. The statement says A and B can do a work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. So first assumption we make is we treat work as a unit, right? So A can do the work in 10 days. That means in one day A can do 1/10 of the work, right? Yes. And in one day B can do 1/15th part of the work, right? A is finishing the job in 10 days. That means in one day he will do 1/10th part of the work, and B can finish the same work in 15 days. That means in one day he can do 1/15th of the work, right? Now let's read further. They started the work together, but B left after some time, right? B left after some time. A finished the remaining work in 5 days, right? After how many days from the start did B leave? So initially A and B were working together at their respective speeds. A was finishing 1/10th of the job in one day and B was finishing 1/15th of the job in one day. And after some time B left the job and the leftover job was finished by A in 5 days, right? So how much work have they done together? We don't know, but we have a clue. What is the clue? The clue is A finished the remaining work in 5 days, right? So if we find out the work done by A in 5 days, we can find the fraction which A and B finished together before B left, right? So in 5 days, how much work will A finish? In 5 days, A will finish the job done by A in one day, that is 1/10th, multiplied by number of days, that is 5, right? In 5 days, how much job will A do? A will do 1/10. That much work A actually does in one day, and multiplied by 5 because he is working for 5 days to finish the job. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. In those 5 days, A is finishing 1/2, that is half of the work, right? So in initial time, when A and B work together, they have done half of the job, right? So this half job A is finishing after B has left. So together A and B, before B leaving the job, they have finished the remaining half, right? Work we take as one unit. Half A is doing after B left the job. So 1 minus 1/2, that is 1/2. Half job was done by A and B together in initial period, right? Now let's assume that both A and B have worked together for X number of days. If they have worked together for X number of days, the work done by A in those X days will be X/10, and work done by B in those X days will be X/15, right? And this together is, yes, 1/2, half of the work, right? Yes. And now let's solve left hand side by taking the LCM. LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. So 10 threes are 30. 3 multiplied by X is 3X. Plus 15 twos are 30. 2 multiplied by X is 2X, is equal to 1/2, right? Yes. From here, we can write 3X plus 2X is equal to 5X divided by 30 is equal to half, right? So if we do cross multiplication, what will we get? this 2 will come over here and this 30 will get multiplied by 1. So we will get 10x is equal to 30. And if we divide both sides by 10, we will get x is equal to 3, right? And what is this x? X was the number of days they have worked together. So they have worked together for 3 days. That means B has left after 3 days, right? So this is the result. So A and B actually worked together for only 3 days.